So we're here in Newport Avenue at Howard's building. This was job number 1. That was job number 2. And we're going next door. Job number 3 was partial over here. This was excavated. Nothing was done. That's not a pipe. Those are copper lines, copper water lines. But that was part of job number 3. And then we're going next door. This was the other part of job number 3. The middle one is the line going to the coffee shop. The one on the left is the one going to the hair salons, and the one on the right is a new clean out. So this was part of job number 3. And then job number 4 was going under the wall over there, and then moving the water heaters, and that work down there is part of job number 3. Job number 3. No, job number 4, sorry. That line coming under there is job number 4. Job number 3 was the previous one. All this line over here, that little white pipe you can see there sticking, which is buried, going under there towards the other office, that's job number 4. So that's everything pallet checks done so far, with a lot of my input. That's it.